Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 7th of October, 2024, our system has categorized Intel as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.26. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with an increase of 1.74%. This results in an average return of 0.17% per day since it was marked as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately -15.73% over the next 3 months, with a range of potential returns between -39.22% and +4.32%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around -47.8% over the next 12 months, with a forecasted return range between -64% and -33.29%. This range suggests a price fluctuation between $8.20 to $15.19 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Intel stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after the trading session on Friday. The Intel stock price increased by 1.47% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024. The price rose from $22.44 to $22.77. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.42%, with a low of $22.50 and a high of $22.82. The price has experienced volatility during this period, resulting in a gain of 0.8% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $903 million and 23 cents. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price sits 55.59%, or $28.51, below the 52-week high, and 67.14%, or $46.52, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel's recent headlines reflect a company undergoing significant transformation and facing financial challenges. As of today, October 18th, 2024, Intel is exploring the sale of a minority stake in its Altera programmable chip unit, potentially valued around $17 billion. This move represents a strategic pivot aimed at raising crucial capital amidst ongoing struggles in its data center and AI divisions. The decision follows reports of falling stock values and fierce competition from industry giants like NVIDIA and TSMC. In reaction to these developments, Intel shares rose, suggesting investor optimism around the possibility of a lucrative deal. Moreover, analysts project that Intel's current valuation may be attractive to near-term investors, anticipating a market capitalization growth potential of 50% by 2025, driven by increasing AI demand and upcoming technological advancements. However, the company's third-quarter results, expected by the end of the month, are projected to show a decline in revenue, which may weigh on stock performance in the short term. Intel's ongoing cost reduction initiatives, including layoffs and suspension of dividends, aim to revitalize free cash flow but may hinder long-term growth prospects. Investors will need to closely monitor both the outcomes of upcoming earnings reports and the effectiveness of Intel's restructuring efforts as they navigate this pivotal period for the chipmaker. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned INTC a sell grade while taking a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated INTC as equal weight with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned INTC a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Benchmark also reported that Wolfe Research assigned INTC a reduce grade while opting for a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave INTC an underperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a buy as well. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $22.91. Conversely, if it declines, support is expected from the long-term average at around $21.78. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 20.54%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rise in prices, indicating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been detected, which could influence short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 31 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 142 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 150 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $21.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.32 between its high and low, which translates to 1.42%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a negative 30 cents. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $22.81. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, 2024, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D. made an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. Also, on the 27th of September 2024, Eshraq Omar executed an insider purchase of 1,306,985 shares of phantom stock units. On that day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider purchase of 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. Prior to that, on the 31st of August, 2024, Goel Scott executed an insider sale of 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.6. In total, insiders purchased 440,463 shares and sold 421,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.94, reflecting a decline of 3.64%. This stock demonstrates moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 30 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we expect Intel to open lower, decreasing by approximately 7 cents, and start trading at $22.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.